Hey YouTube. Wonder where Ellie's at. Where's Ellie?
I'm here.
Oh, hey Ellie.
Hey.
What are we doing today?
So, for Christmas, I hope you guys had a good Christmas though. For Christmas, I got slimes. There's 4 slimes.
Okay.
There's a fire and ice slime. It's got like little blue jewels in it because it's fire and ice. And then we got a rainbow slime. Don't know if you can tell. So
Ooh,
there's
yeah,
like
that's a good
rainbow
close-up.
color. And then this is the metallic slime. It's actually like really like jiggly. What are you doing?
Blocking out Charlie.
Seriously?
See him?
It's fine.
See him?
See-
See him? See him?
Okay, pretend you didn't see that. So then, that's that slime, and then we have the mood ring slime,
Yep.
and it changes color, and I actually heated it up. And then I actually heated it up one more time, and then it actually like sparked in the microwave, so I just immediately took it out.
Yeah.
Dad was down there when I did that. So we're going to be taking out the jiggly one because that's easy to identify. And this is my brother Charlie.
Hey Charlie.
And I just had stuff on my hands. So
Alright, what's the first one we're doing?
So you're going to basically. So you're basically going to So you're basically just going to close your eyes.
Okay.
I'm going to open a slime. Basically not this one, but we actually might do this one.
And I have to identify which one it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to identify.
All right,
These two are actually very similar because they don't have like a jewel inside them
Okay.
or jiggliness. So close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay. So and it's going to be inside the cup. So and I'll tell you where. I'll point to your hand where it's at.
Okay.
This one right here. I haven't opened it. I just opened it.
Bring it over here in front of me.
It's right here. It's in front of you.
I think this one is the metallic slime.
No.
Ah,
It's the rainbow slime.
it's the rainbow. Oh, I didn't get it.
This is actually a really good slime. Okay, so my brother Charlie actually wants to join in, so we'll let him do it for 1 round. So, Charlie, sit in my...
Welcome to our channel, Charlie.
Okay, hey. You guys may remember me from the strange food photo.
That's right. What did you have to eat that one time?
Like,
It was really disgusting. It was ranch it was honey and something. Barbecue and
onion.
onion. Yeah.
Oh, that was disgusting. I hated that video. Okay, so,
All right, Charlie, you want to get in
No,
here?
he can sit in my seat. Charlie, sit in my seat. Oh,
Nope.
oh, we've got a third camera. I mean, not camera, seat. Okay. Person and seat. Okay, so now, Charlie, close your eyes. No cheating. Okay. Okay, so Dad, which slime should we do?
I love me some metallic slime.
Oh, this goes in here.
Okay. It's right in front of you.
I don't know if you can identify this one.
It's either rainbow or mood slime.
What's your pick?
Mood slime.
Correct. Ding, 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 ding,
Yes.
ding. We have a winner. Okay.
Now it's Ellie's turn. It is now Ellie's turn.
Okay. Poo. Poo poo.
I don't read anything.
Okay. You guys choose together, so
You made it hard on me, now I'm gonna make it hard on you.
I can easily identify the signs.
Go.
Dad
This
says.
is the metallic.
Yeah. Dad, you made it easy. The fire and ice and metallic.
Yeah, that's like super. Hey. Okay, as you saw, that was that, and we're going to do one more round. And instead of opening the slimes, we are going to close the slimes, and we are going to switch it up like this.
Yeah,
and we
then-
are all going to close our eyes, put our hand on one, and whoever touches the one first, and someone shows it, or someone hand.
Wait, we should like make them put them in.
Yeah, and
order.
we're going to switch these up. So then
What
we're
are we
all,
trying to do?
So
Put them in alphabetical order.
no, Charlie.
Oh,
That's
I don't
easy.
know these.
That's easy to identify. Okay, so these are the orders. So this is the. So we're
No,
going.
with our eyes closed. We have to.
Yeah, we're going. I'm going to mix them up with my eyes closed,
Okay.
and then we're going to touch one. Try to identify it by the box, and you cannot shake it. You can pull it like this.
But the boxes are all the same.
I know, but you have to
All
identify
right,
it.
everyone, close your eyes. Ellie, mix them up.
What is this?
3, 2, 1.
I want this one.
I want this one.
I got this one. I don't know which one I got.
Dad can't shake it.
I got fire and ice. Oh no, metallic.
I got fire and ice.
Boom.
Mood. Oh, rainbow.
You got
Yours is the
rainbow.
only one.
Okay, so we might be doing another video tomorrow.
Dad, you
If Charlie's up for it, he is actually kind of sick.
All right. Well, if you liked what you saw tonight, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button,
Hit
and
that
don't
little
forget
bell.
to scrub your butts.
Hit that
Peace out.